Hi friends, we are in Irkia farm and the time is 5 o'clock. Sun already rised. Today my subject to capture the owl and if any other new birds or new any species or something, let me try to capture those things, then again I will update you. See the Irkhaya farm, how beautiful, and lot of plants they already planted. This week I think a lot of farms already they made. Everywhere it looks green, and there is a pond. See the pond, this is the water they are distributing to all the farms. Farms is made in a circled shape, each and every shape almost 2 kilometer in diameter, maybe I think so, or 1 kilometer maybe. Such a huge farms. Each and every farms have one irrigation system, same like this, and they pump the water from the center to up to this last. There is lot of hoses distributing the water, and that distributing water dispenser, same like a water dispenser, so distribute the water to the entire farm in a circled way, so it's spraying continuously the water to the farm to maintain that greenish. I think 2 or 3 times they pump the water through this pipe. So this is the farm they maintain. How beautiful, see there also. It's look like a valley. It's look like a valley. See, some birds are flying, and the early morning, some good sunlight, and everything is quite good, and I'm looking for owl only. Let's see how it helps today. See, very near. I'm very near, very near with this owl. It is sitting in the top of the one rod is there, and it is watching me. Very near, very close. Maybe it will try to fly. See, it is very near. It's not going. Hey owl, how are you? How's the day today? Good? I'm catching you. You are watching me? Good. Hi friends, today our topic, little owl. Owls are a lot of types. Why I prefer little owl? It is commonly you can see in Qatar mainly. particular date I went to that farm for the purpose of to shoot the little owl, and I am going to give a brief presentation as well as some videos. Little owl are very small, plump, brownish bird. It's about 20 centimeters long. It is mainly occurred in Europe, Africa and Central Asia, as well as the Middle East also. They are very active during the day and often perch in open. The little owl is always preferred to eat small insects, small mammals and reptiles. Particularly, these owls have a high vision as well as the hearing. It has two ear, inside and outside. So if any small sounds, it can recognize very quickly, and the vision of the owl is particularly very sharp, and it can able to rotate the head around 180 degree to watch the prey as well as watch the perch in an open area. This is the very speciality of this owl. The lifespan of this owl around 3 years, and the weight of the owl is around 180 grams only. It's a small owl. It breeds always between March and August. In between these months only it breeds, and it lays 2 to 6 eggs at the time. Males and females share a similar appearance, but the males generally being smaller than females and with a lighter face. This is the specialty of the little owl. And the nesting, it prefers to build their nest in cavities and holes or in trees, some like abandoned by the woodpecker, as well as some holes, some small types of abandoned building. It prefers those places. I don't want to disturb this bird actually. It will not prefer to making any noises. It's like a calm bird. This is the maximum information about the little owl. So as usual, I went to the Erkia farm and I start to shoot the little owl. I mainly go for that little owl only. So I start to take the pictures. See, this is my first picture. When this one is sitting and it is facing the back side. As I told earlier, it can rotate his head around 180 degree. So sitting towards the sun, but the head is rotate and it is looking me. This is the second picture. The same bird, he turned completely and he is facing me. It's like a ground shot. I almost sit in the floor and I'm shoot this one. The same place, the same owl with the greenish background. I just move from my position to another position and shoot this beautiful photo for this little owl. Actually, the bird, the leg height is more, little more, the leg height. And this owl I shoot in another one place. It's just sitting and it is watching sun, and it takes some warm up in the early morning. It's sitting in a small piece of rod actually, and very close shot this one actually. I approach this guy almost around 10 meter to 20 meter, not more than that. It's not flew, it's not because I'm not directly approach this bird. I just approach the bird like zigzag manner. That is the basic principle to approach any bird or any animal. We need to use that technique as a zigzag method. If you approach directly to the birds or any animals or any species, it will run. So every time, this is the basic thing and technique how to approach the bird as well as the any species. Use the zigzag method. And this is another one shot with the greenish background. It's looking me, and its eyes is pretty good and very nice. Actually, the head and the face is like a flat one with a little small nose with mouth. And this another one, it's also in the field. Yes, this is looking me to cross and flew from that place. This is another shot, the same bird, the second shot. And this one, the same owl I told earlier, sitting on the top of the rod. I just pass my car. This one is not even not cropped anything. It's a actual picture. What I shoot, I just post process and I present this photo. This much close, so it behaves. I behave with him also like a friend, and he is also looking me. It's very close, very close shot. This one. Yes, this is my favorite shot last week. Totally I stunned with this shot because it's so open the feather, and he want to land. Maybe he is going to catch some prey. So every time I'm missing this opportunity to catch or something the prey.